Hi and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome once again to Technology Information Channel. Today we are going to talk about the ammeter selector switch. If you are working on some electrical panel, first time on you faced with the to install the ammeter selector switch, how to wire completely A to Z. Okay. Before the starting video, I have a small request to all of you. If you are first time on this channel, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification for more latest updates with you. Thank you. Okay, let's get started. This is our emitter selector switch. This is our three wires L1, L2, L3, and this is the emitter selector, and this is the emitter. Okay, this is our three CT coils. CT coils, that's mean the current transformer. This is the working for measuring the how much current flow in this wire exactly. This is working for that to monitor to you how much current flow in this wire and one phase and second phase and third phase. Okay, this is our three phase. We are mentioned with the colors some red wire, red, yellow, blue. Okay, or you can call RYB, uh, L1, L2, L3, or XYZ or ABC. Okay, but standardized L1, L2, L3 for American. This is our three wires. One phase, two phase, and three phase. This have each single CT coil on each wire. Okay. This wire is goes out and out in the middle between the CT coils and all. Okay. This is all every CT coils have two wires for the system monitoring. S1, S2, S1, S2, S1, S2. Okay. How to wire completely? This is our S2. Okay, this is our L2 S2 and this is our L3 S2. Okay, this all need to be common to jump to each other. Okay, and directly provided to selector switch common point. Okay, after that this S1 is need to go to R phase. Okay, connect, you can connect here. After that this black S1 you need to connect this to the black. After that you need to this blue, sorry, this is for the blue. And this one for the white phase. L1 for L1 point, L2 for L2 and L3 for L3. Okay, this is the CT coil sides connected with the emitter side. Okay, after that here is the emitter, the another side is A1, A2. These 2 points directly connected to the emitter. Okay, when you rotate this knob to the Y position, this will show you the Y phase amps reading. If you rotate this to the B position, this will show you the B phase amps reading. If you will rotate to the R phase, this will show you R. If you will rotate this knob to the 0 position, that's will turning off. It's the complete wiring of emitter selector switch. We are defined in a 3-phase system. If you are using the simply in a single phase, in the single phase system, this will not need to. You can install this one emitter selector. You can directly connect it to the emitter. Okay, this is the complete wiring. I hope you understand good, and gratefully Uh, Next for inshallah I will make another videos on voltmeter. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching and goodbye.